Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and share these videos. So what we are doing today is how to earn money just listening to music, watching videos, answering surveys, doing offer, and so on and so forth. So let's go to the app. So this app pays you when you listen to music. Yeah, you listen to music. If you like to listen to music, or you can also play music and be doing whatever you want to do and leave it. So every seconds you earn just listening to music. Can you see? So you watch movies. If you watch this Nigerian movie here, you also earn. Every minute you watch it, you earn. Every minute, see it. Every minute you watch this Yoruba play, you earn. So when you listen to radio, the more radio you listen to, the more you earn when you listen to radio. Per radio you listen to, the every second they pays you when you listen to the radios. And music, Ashake music videos, when you watch it, they pays you when you watch the videos and everything. So if you like sports, so you can watch your sport video here instead of wasting your data on watching any other site. So just come here, watch it, and you will earn. Just keep watching it. You can watch it as much as possible for like 24 hours, as much as possible. So if you love games, you can watch games videos on how to play different type of games is on it. So you watch it and you will keep earning. So if you know that you love listening to music, just come to this music side here. You start for your favorite music, so you listen to it as much as possible times you can listen to it. The more you listen, the more you earn, more dollars. So you can, if you come here, this place, if you refer someone, you're going to earn 10% of your referral income. So 10% of your referral income. And do not forget, I will pin this app link under the comment section. So if you need the original app, this app is really paying Mavis money. So this places offer, so you can choose any offer you want to do. So if you click here to take it to an offer, so when you answer this, when you say download this app, so when you download it, you earn 2000 coin. If you download it, you earn 2000 coin. If you download it, you earn 2000 coin. Download, you earn 2000 coin. Download, you earn 2000 coin. So if you can download all these things, you will have to earn massive money in this. So this is really paying money. So you have to, if you answer it, to show here, show you the one you completed, it will show you. And this box here, every seconds it will reload. So you watch ads every seconds. So the more you watch ads, the more you earn coin. If you watch one ads, so the ads is loading, you press cancel. See, you earn one coin. Wow, this is two. Can you say you earn one coin? Okay, great. So you wait again, it's going to load. So if you want to withdraw your money, or they want to pay you, you come here. So can you see I've earned 0.05 USD. So 10,000 coin equals to 0.1 USD. 0.1 USD, 10,000 coin. So they will pay you, the minimum payout will pay you 0.19 USD. And in a day, you can make up to $14 in a day. For a type of person who love watching videos, footballs, listening to music, you can earn more than that in a day. You can earn more than $14 in a day. So they pay you in Binance, Amazon Pay. So if you use Litecoin, it will take 3 days before you see your money. But I prefer to use Pay. Instantly you see your money. You first try. If you want to try any other site that is, you want to believe that is legit, the first thing you have to do, you have to try with the low minimum withdraw payment. You have to try with Pay 0.19 USD. Instantly cash out immediately. You have to see your payment. So if you don't see your payment, you surely see your payment. This app is really legit. If you don't see your payment, please comment in this comment section I will find what to do. So this app is really paying. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos for more.